counts and theories of murder in the first degree, attempted murder in the first degree, assault in the first degree, assault in the second degree, and many counts of bias-motivated crimes, and then the attendant COV charges, crime of violence charges as well.
All right. Does the defense waive any further reading or advisement on these charges?
We do, Your Honor.
Today we filed formal charges, 305 total counts of charges, including multiple counts of murder in the first degree under two different theories, both with intent and deliberation, 5 counts of that version of murder, and then 5 counts of extreme indifference murder. Both of those potential sentences are life in prison without parole, meaning that if somebody is convicted of those offenses, they will serve the remainder of their life in prison without breathing free air again. We also charged a number of attempted murders, both for intent and deliberation and extreme indifference as well. Those are less than life in prison without parole, but they do carry with them up to a very significant period of time in prison, including up to 48 years for each of those. We do have the ability to ask for, at some point down the road, for consecutive sentencing, and I'm talking generally speaking here. That will be ultimately up to the facts that we present in the case and if we are able to achieve convictions in this case. I want to reiterate that charges are merely allegations. Everybody that is charged with a crime is presumed to be innocent until proven guilty beyond a reasonable doubt, and that certainly applies in this case. Well, I think the message that we sent is obviously when you file 305 counts in a case, that tells the public, this community, this state, and this nation that we are taking this case as serious as we possibly can, meaning that we are going to prosecute this case to the fullest extent of the law. We also have filed bias-motivated charges in this case, meaning that we think that there's enough evidence to satisfy our burden on bias-motivated offenses. We're not going to tolerate actions against community members based on their sexual identity, those types of things. Members of that community have been harassed, intimidated, and abused for too long. That's not going to occur in the 4th Judicial District. And so it's important that we talk about that as well.